The E3 error code in a washing machine typically indicates a problem with the motor or its related components, serving as a generic indication that there's an issue with the motor's operation or that it's not functioning correctly. This code can be caused by faulty connections, such as loose or damaged wiring between the motor and other components, which can trigger the E3 error code. Sensor malfunctions are also a common cause, as faulty sensors may incorrectly detect issues, leading to the E3 error code. Additionally, mechanical obstructions, like jams or seized motors, can prevent the motor from operating properly and trigger the code. To fix the E3 error code, inspecting the motor and connections is a good starting point. This involves opening the back panel of the washing machine, inspecting the motor and its connections for loose wires, damaged components, or signs of overheating, and tightening or replacing components as necessary. Checking for mechanical obstructions is also crucial, as items stuck between the drum and the tub or other parts causing friction can trigger the code. Removing these stuck items can help resolve the issue. Verifying sensor functionality is another key step. This involves switching off the washing machine, unplugging it from the power source, inspecting the areas around the sensors for obstructions, cleaning the sensors and their surroundings, and ensuring the sensor connectors are securely plugged into their respective sockets. Using a multimeter to test the continuity or resistance of the sensors, according to the manufacturer's specifications, can help determine whether the sensors are functioning properly. By following these steps, the E3 error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can operate correctly again.